Exotic reptiles and insects are being transported across the world hidden inside potted plants. According to scientists, the pests have the potential to damage crops and the natural environment. Here's Megan Owen.
As more of us get our fingers green, with the global gardening market blossoming, we might just be getting more than we bargained for. Picture this. You buy a potted plant from a garden centre, only to discover this Italian wool lizard. Or the European tree frog, hidden in a bunch of roses from a florist's down the road. These pests, including snakes, spiders and frogs, are hitching a ride on global shipments of cut flowers and potted plants, with the potential to harm nature, according to scientists.
Despite the fact that, everyone actually derives a lot of pleasure from this, we all like seeing beautiful plants in our homes. However, there are growing and quite significant environmental risks associated with this, including in terms of biosecurity. There's a high chance that actually, due to the sheer volume and the speed of this global trade, we might introduce contaminants. We're not asking for bans or anything like that. We're raising awareness of something that we think actually should be looked at quite critically.
The government says it has models in place to protect crops, livestock and food supply chains from pests and disease while minimising disruption to trade. But it's a collective responsibility, according to a man who knows our soils all too well.
It's vitally important when people go on holiday that they don't chuck a cutting in their sponge bag. Don't do it. Buy your plants in this country from reputable suppliers, plants that have been quarantined for a good year to make sure they're free of pests and diseases. Then you know that not only are you buying something for your garden that won't be infected, but you're not bringing something into this country which hitherto we've managed to keep out. It's important that all of us take care of plant safety, plant biosecurity.
A warning to avoid unwelcome stowaways. Their home may be hundreds of miles away, but now it seems they've reached our own back garden. Megan Owen, BBC News.